Imagine waking up one morning, opening your laptop, and realizing 80% of your job has already been automated. The reports you used to create, done. The emails you were going to send, already written. The insights you were supposed to deliver at 10 a.m. It's in healthcare, real estate, HR, even education. And that means your job isn't vanishing, it's evolving. It means learning how to think differently, adapt quickly, and leverage AI like a power tool. The World Economic Forum reports that over 40% of core job skills are expected to change by 2027. Not disappear, change. They're jobs for people who understand how to work with robots. And the good news, you don't have to be a tech genius to do it. And it gives you time to do what AI can't. Connect, mentor, inspire, lead. If you know how to evolve with it, you'll not only survive the AI revolution, you'll lead it. You still fine-tune the tone, add brand voice, maybe tweak the headline, but the bulk of the work is done in seconds. That means you can focus on strategy, storytelling, and customer engagement areas where humans still dominate. AI isn't just taking over repetitive tasks. It's reshaping what jobs look like, who gets hired, and who gets left behind. It has the ability to talk to AI in a way that gets you what you actually want. Because here's the truth, AI isn't smart unless you are. The better your instructions, the better your results. They've already been analyzed by a machine before you even poured your first cup of coffee. This isn't some distant sci-fi future. It's 2025, and this is the world we're already stepping into. Artificial intelligence is no longer limited to tech departments or Silicon Valley startups. It's everywhere. It's in customer service. It's in marketing. Every time you use AI to recommend, automate, or analyze, you're making decisions that affect real people. What if it starts favoring one gender or background because of the training data? What if it overlooks someone amazing just because they didn't use the right keywords? So you need to think beyond efficiency. You need to think about fairness, bias, and responsibility. You could tell an AI, write a paragraph about this new blender. Sure, it'll give you something basic, but watch what happens when you give it a good prompt. Write a 150-word product description in an enthusiastic tone for a high-performance blender aimed at busy professionals who care about health and minimal cleanup. But why is it happening? That's where your human brain steps in. Maybe your checkout process is too slow. Maybe the shipping costs aren't shown early enough. Keep notes. Hiring managers are already looking for candidates who understand AI not just in theory, but in practice. These experiments become your new skill portfolio. They show that you're not just working, you're adapting, innovating, leading. Maybe it's a design issue. AI gives you data, you give it meaning. If you write reports, have AI create a first draft. If you answer customer questions, use AI to generate common replies. If you organize schedules, test AI planning tools, start small, see what changes. But here's the truth they don't often tell you. AI doesn't replace jobs, it replaces tasks. Follow AI news, join free webinars, subscribe to newsletters, watch tutorials. Talk to coworkers, test new tools. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to stay in the loop. ChatGPT, you're curious, you're proactive, and you're ready to build the skills that matter. Notion AI, Canva's AI features, test it. Apply it to your real work, Grammarly, whatever fits your field. Then spend 1 hour this week testing it. Use it on real work. Summarize an article. Draft a proposal. Ask it to improve your resume. Get your hands dirty. Subscribe for more practical content on AI and the future of work. And drop a comment below. What AI skill are you going to build this week? So let's talk about what that looks like, because future-proofing your career doesn't mean learning how to code overnight. Now, AI helps grade assignments instantly. It creates custom lesson plans based on student performance. But you do need to know how to read the results AI gives you. Whether it's sales trends, customer feedback summaries, or social media insights, AI can surface the information, but it's up to you to interpret it and take action. That means you need to keep evolving, too. It even tracks engagement and alerts you to which students are struggling before they fall behind. Let's start with what's really happening in the workforce. Today, jobs are being redesigned faster than ever before. That's because we're seeing the rise of hybrid roles jobs where humans and AI work together. These aren't jobs for robots. Picture this. You're a teacher. 10 years ago, you spent hours every week grading papers, writing lesson plans, adjusting to each student's learning speed. Your job isn't gone. It's just smarter. Let's take another example. You're a marketing associate. You used to write 5 emails a week manually. Now, you use AI to draft them. This is the new workforce, and the people thriving in it are the ones who are picking up a new toolkit AI skills designed for non-tech roles. Let's walk through the most important ones. First, AI communication, also known as prompting. This is one of the most underrated skills right now. Let's say you're writing a product description. Now we're talking. That's prompting. And it's a game changer, especially for marketers, writers, support agents, and sales reps. The second skill, data literacy. No, you don't need to become a data scientist. Let's say you run an e-commerce store. Your AI tool tells you that cart abandonment is up 20%. That's a red flag. The third skill, ethical reasoning. This one's big and growing. Let's say you're using AI to help screen resumes. You need to know when to question the system, when to pause, when to step in. And believe me, companies are looking for people who can make ethical decisions in an AI-powered world. Now, knowing the skills is one thing, but how do you actually build them? Let's break it down. Step 1. Pick one AI tool and go deep. Don't get overwhelmed by the options. Just choose one. Step 2. Find one task you do often and automate or speed it up with AI. Step 3. Track your results and talk about them. Share them with your boss. Post about them on LinkedIn. And if you're wondering, will any of this actually help me get hired or promoted? The answer is yes. They're asking. Have you used it before? Do you know its limits? Can you use it responsibly? Can you teach others? When you can say yes to those questions, you instantly stand out. Now let's talk about the long game, because AI isn't standing still. It's evolving fast. Make continuous learning a habit. The goal isn't to keep up with everything. The goal is to stay relevant in your space. Because in the near future, there will be 2 types of professionals: those who understand how to use AI to amplify their value, and those who quietly fall behind. And I'll ask you the same question we started with. What if AI doesn't replace your job, but someone who knows how to use AI does? That's not fear. That's a wake-up call. But if you've made it this far, you're already ahead of the curve. So here's your next move. Pick a tool. Document what happens. Repeat, because in 2025 and beyond, the most valuable skill won't be coding. It'll be the ability to think human and work smart right alongside AI. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you shift your mindset, hit that like button. The future of work doesn't belong to robots. It belongs to people who know how to use them, and that's going to be you.